Number 20 on worksheet 2.3. You want to solve for m. You want to solve for the variable. M is clearly on the left side of the equal sign. It's over here. So you need to get m by itself. Now what could you do? There's many roads to the same place. You could multiply by 5, multiply by 5, multiply by 5, but it's easier to subtract 2. So your new equation will be 4/5 m equals 4. And now you could get rid of that fraction by multiplying by 5 and multiplying by 5. So you will have 4m equals 20. Which means that if you divide by 4 on both sides, you get m equals 5. You see? It's easy. Any other ones you want to see?
26.
26. Ladies and gentlemen, we already did 25 on the other video. It's the same concept. Find 3 consecutive integers. So let me do this. Let's see if I can make this a little easier. I want to put a number in there, and they want us to sum it up, right? So one number plus another number plus another number is going to equal 36. Maybe this will make it a little clearer for you. So I'm going to add the first number with the second number with the third number, and the answer should equal 36. Yay? Now, ladies and gentlemen, if this number were 12, what would this one have to be?
13.
And this one?
14.
If this were 50, what would this have to be?
51.
And this one? 52. Right? So, okay, you guys are guessing and checking. Yeah, that works also. But I want to get you beyond that. I want to get you to understand, right now we don't know the first number. So I'm going to put X right there. But whatever that first number is, if that's 17, then this one's going to be what? 18. It's going to be 1 greater than this guy. So on the second box, I need to put X plus 1. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Now, if this were 17 and this were 18, which is 17 plus 1, this has to be 19, which would be 17 plus 2. Which means that in this third box, I'm going to put X plus 2. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So in reality, I have my X plus, and I might as well put this in parentheses just to not get confused, plus this other guy, and I will have my 3 consecutive integers. Now, there is nothing in the front to distribute to both terms, so I could just ignore the parentheses, even though I just wrote them. So I really have 1x, 2x, 3x's combining like terms. That's 3x's. And then there's also some numbers that I could combine, a 1 and a 2. What's 1 plus 2? 3. That's right, 3. Okay, and then I'm going to bring down the equals and the 36. Ladies and gentlemen, this has now become a simple 2-step equation where I subtract 3 and subtract 3, and that cancels. I will have 3x equals 33, which means if I divide by 3, x does equal 11. Now, it asks for 3 consecutive integers. 11, 12, and 13. If you know that this is x, here's x. If this is 11, this one's 12, this one's 13. You got it? Any other one you would like to see? How about the word problems on top? Anybody?
3.
Number 3? Why not? It says, oh, you said 3 and I go to 2. Sorry. Number 3, a number is multiplied by 2. What does that mean?
2x.
2x. Okay. And that's really the product of 2 and x. And if you keep reading, it says, and then the product, this product that we just did, is added to 9. Okay, let's just add 9. Now technically, this added to 9 should have a 9 over here. Sorry. Technically, it should have a 9 plus the 2x, but because of commutative property, you can put the plus 9 in the back if you want. That's fine. And then it says the result is 49. So we're going to put equals 49. And it's really that easy, reading it a little bit at a time and writing what you understand. Let's solve it now. Minus 9 cancels. Minus 9. You're going to get 2x equals 40. x equals 20 if you divide both sides by 2. All right, so you guys have the rest of the class to work on this. Flip it over to check your answers. Raise your hand if you need help. Get on Edmodo and watch these videos over again.